The ECM system of air suspension can control the air press inside the airbag to make the ride height higher or lowered. First, every air tank must be put under the water before shipping out. Whether there's bubble come out and the press decrease or not after 3 hours. In addition, the principal parts of EDC system are solenoid valve assembly and remote control receiver. Dainty appearance, small volume, and easy installation are our advantage. Solenoid valve assembly must be completed 3 hours of static leakage test. Afterward, test the function of remote control and receiver. If the goods is attached with Bluetooth receiver, there is matching test to see if it can work or not. Besides, we use the power supply to inspect the air compressor before shipment. Each air compressor is going to inflate pressure to 200 psi. Inspect the current during working and check if the time that inflate to 200 psi is in the standard range. Accordingly, we can ensure that products have the best inflate function.